How are you with your money? Are you very good with it? Do you manage it really well? Do you have times when you're perhaps not quite sure how to manage your money, not quite sure how much you're spending, not quite sure how much income you've got coming in, although most of us would be? Do you think you've got blocks around money? Do you think that sometimes you never seem to get ahead of the game? I'm going to be honest with you, and I've been there. And in fact, some of the time, I'm still there. I'm not completely and utterly 100% fixed with my money problems. And this is why I was passionate about creating a workshop that you could come along to support you with exploring where you are with your money, support your financial journey. And that's exactly what I've done. So let me tell you a little bit about the workshop. It's going to be running on the 20th of July and it's going to be starting at 6:30 p.m. for an hour. Originally, I did this workshop at the Women Only Wellness Gathering outdoors in the glorious sunshine. But to be honest with you, we were all baking hot. And what I decided to do, particularly for the people who couldn't make that session or who were too hot, didn't attend, or wanted to attend and had to be somewhere else, I decided to run an online version of that with a few more whistles and bells. So I've entitled the workshop Activate Your Abundant Self. And what we're going to be looking at are 3 different strands of approaching your money journey. Let me just talk you through what those 3 strands would be. So the first one will be very practical and it will be helping you look at your budget, look at what comes in, look at what goes out, and identifying ways that you can save money. The second thing that we'll do is we'll look at money blocks. We'll identify where those money blocks are and look at what we can do about them. And the third thing will be thinking about abundance and thinking about how we create a version of ourselves that steps into this abundance, this abundant self. So we'll be doing some work on that. I'm also going to be sharing part of the ebook that I'm in the process of writing, and I'd love your feedback on that as well. And you would all get a workbook which looks a little bit like this, although the title is Money Magic. I will change that. And we'll be asking specific questions. So we'll be thinking about how you feel about spending money, how you feel about buying something, and are those questions the same? We'll think about your money history. What was money like for you and your family, for you as a child, for you as a teenager? And I'll be helping you to plot your money journey. I'll be helping you to think about how you look at your finances, asking you if you know what comes in and goes out and those kinds of things. And then looking at your money inner conversation. How do you talk to yourself around money? Do you tell yourself constantly that you don't earn enough or you can't earn enough? We'll be doing some practical money exploration, thinking about a realistic budget, and then we'll start to think like a millionaire. And I know that might sound a little bit far-fetched to some of you, but actually thinking about what that means. Most millionaires know about their money because that's how they became millionaires. So it's a really good question. So if you think you'd like to start exploring your money journey and you'd like to sit in a session with me live, then that call, that workshop will be exactly for you. I will put the links in the comments below and in the description. It does come with a small investment, and that investment, though, could bring you much more abundance in your life. So for that small investment, you could save hundreds of pounds, for example, on your outgoings. You could turn something that you thought was a hobby into a skill that would earn you money. So if you'd like to learn some of these things, if you'd like to learn how to transform your money journey and your money story, then I think this workshop will be very valuable to you. Let me know in the comments what you think. Is it something you would like to attend? If it is, click on the link and grab yourself a ticket. I'd love to have you with me on that day. If you'd love to do it but can't make that day, also let me know. That will give me an idea of whether or not I wanted to run this one-off workshop again. The ticket sales are relatively cheap because I know that you are on a budget, like me if you're watching this channel, and I don't want to make things really expensive. But those ticket sales won't stay at that reduced cost for very long. They will eventually go up in price, and I desperately want to help people who are on a budget like me. But obviously, you know, part of what I do on this channel is try to make a little bit of an income. So I'll see you on the 20th of July at 6:30. Hope to see you there. Bye for now.